Hi everybody, welcome back. I just want to do a quick update to let you know what's come in here and what I've been doing the last few weeks. Got one shop card in there this past week from Jeff at Treeline Model Works. Thanks Jeff for that. That'll go in the binder with the collection. Good looking card, a couple of good looking builds there. And also Michael's has been having a 55% off coupon days, so I went and stocked up some kits. I got this Jeep kit, just a small snap kit. I can use the tires, I guess, for other builds, or I can do a quick build sometime. And I got some duplicates on these other ones here, the 32 Coupe and the 49 Merc. A friend of mine also gave me a little Hot Wheels car yesterday in the Minion series. I guess it's number 5 of 6, and it's a nice little car. Let me focus on this here. Team Minion. So that's pretty cool. And I also ordered a kit from Amazon. Came in this past week, came in pretty quickly. Stocked up on some more tools and machinery for my when I get around to my garage diorama. The Fujimi tools kit. I've got one set already. This is another set that gives me some additional equipment when I do my garage diorama. So those are always a lot of fun. And I've been working on a build, my very first airplane build. It's almost done. I just put the first coat of paint on it today. Got it all primed and done, but I haven't done any videos because I want to get it finished first. But I'll let you see what it is. This is the kit, the box, for a sneak peek, and I'll be doing a complete video of the build once it's finalized. So just to keep everybody up to date where I've been at here and what I've been doing. And also in between letting paint dry on that and looking for something else to do, I had another little project. Just let me pause this for a second and I'll show you what that is.
Y'all come back now, here.
This has been a
Model car Minion.